Alright, my computer crashed while I was uploading before, and I still haven't analyzed all my games, but I was playing some Bullet anyway. I'm still going to analyze all these games, or all the interesting games. I'll analyze all of them, I'll post the interesting ones. But I couldn't resist this. It's a thematic Sicilian defense alapin variation, which is the only variation I play from both sides, so figured this would give me more of a chance to win. Looks like no strong players so far, no title players. No one above 20, even 2050. So I'm going for first place, and hopefully you're coming with me. Let's see what happens. This is a very good variation for white. Hmm. Oh, wait a minute. Ah, what the hell is taking me so long? Oh, I'm giving him a way out. I'm giving him a way out. God damn it. Did not want to give him a way out. But whatever, I also have a way out. But this is way worse than it should have been. Um, Man, I'm taking way too much time too. This is not cool. Oh! Whatever, still totally winning. What? I just hung that? Whatever. Should be winning in right now. Okay, I'm going to win all the games. That's my plan. I'm going to win all the games. Okay, we got a 21-47. Got 32 players. Going for first. No losses. No draws. But it's 1 minute, so who knows what could happen. I totally butchered that game. Had a great position. That's a very good variation for white. Okay, now black. Oh wait, it's my move. Oh, goodness gracious. You can't seriously expect to get away with that, can you? Can you? I don't think you can. I don't think you can. You must be insane. Okay, I see what you're saying. You busted, man. Oh, I'm kind of dumb though. Giving him the piece back like this. Good thing he doesn't want it. Good thing he doesn't want it. Can I even do anything? Can I even do anything? Can I even do anything? I'm forcing him to win a piece. Great job, dude. I don't even have any tricks here because of the bishop. Fortunately, he's taking his sweet ass time. Dude, what are you thinking about? Okay. Okay, well, not very impressive wins so far. But wins are wins are wins are wins. Back to tournament. Got the fire. Come on, Mesher, bring it on. Here it is, Mesher, me and Mesh. Don't get a mesh now, Mesh. Okay, I'll take that. Can he take here? Probably he can't. Probably he can now. Fortunately, he's too slow. Too weak, too slow. Too weak, too slow? Too weak, too slow. It's okay. It's okay to be too weak, too slow. What a dick. Why am I such a dick? Why am I such a dick? I'm not winning anything. I don't like when I'm not winning anything. In fact, am I losing something? I'm not. Except I'm playing horrible quick trades. Let's just take this guy. Okay, I'm losing to this guy. This sucks. Oh, shit! With 0.3 seconds. Did I mention I'm the man? I may have mentioned it. Whew, okay, my move. Don't think that's correct. Don't think that's correct. I've never. I should have done it myself. Stupid. This is fine though. Now you've done it. Now you've done it. Okay. Totally winning up a piece. I think this is good, but maybe it's just okay. Forces more exchanges. What are you doing, brah? No, 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 no. This is not how you play chess. Back to tournament. Killing these fools. Uh-oh, we got an NM in the house. C3 is my shit. Can beat an NM in the C3 Sicilian. I've done it before. I'll do it again. With a minute, I just don't know. Okay. You got a 1300. So you're going to time out and give me extra points. I don't really feel like playing a 1300. So you're going to wait till he's 1 second left. Okay. Wow! Way ahead of the crowd. I think I got this. I think I got this. Oh wait, I'm black. Weakness. Gotta be careful. Is this bad? This is bad. Thank goodness I had that protected. Okay, I got a bad situation here on my hands. Oh, this is weak. This is weak. Is it dropping off? I hope not. Very bad, very bad, very bad. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Mate, 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 mate. Oh, no. Am I still getting mated? After all I've been through? No! No! I don't want to get mated. Wow, did I do that? No! Why am I losing? Why am I losing? Why am I losing? Ah, man. I'm not even in first place anymore. That was so sad. I'm getting my queen trapped. I shouldn't have done that. That was kind of dumb. He's taking so much time. Not okay. Hey! Hey, where do I go? Where do I go? What the heck? Am I actually okay? Am I actually better? I think I'm actually better. No, don't hurt me. I said don't hurt me. Dash! Ah, don't do that. Stop it. Screw you. Gee. Gee willikers. What? How did I get myself in this bind? I literally can't move. Okay, he had mate. He missed it. That's very good for me. Okay. Gonna be calm. Okay, we're winning. Still winning, I think. Yeah, still winning. Should have castled first. Uh, should I be letting this king get in here? Probably should not. Okay, that was easy. Okay, I gotta be below low. Okay. Hmm. Wasted a move to get that in, but whatever. Okay, this is a little scary. I really don't like these type of variations. But that seems like a dumb move, though. Ah, what the fuck, man? How I play this garbage son of a bitch. Yeah, is this too insane? Just want to checkmate him. Oh, no, 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 don't checkmate me. That's not what I want. Fuck. I am screwed. Screwed should have gone here. Oh, man, I am so blocked up. Okay. Oh, idiot, I could have taken that. Ah! Oh, that was a guy I needed to beat too, wasn't it? Okay, we got our first knight of 6 of the evening. Let's try to win this knight. Oh, he doesn't go for it. That's unfortunate. Here. Yeah, that's not the best move, but why is it not the best move? punish me. Actually, I played very garbagey. That was probably equal. Ah, that wasn't good. Not good. And I'm better. I have 10 extra seconds. Don't you think you can queen? I'm not going to let you do that. I do understand that you want a queen, but we can't allow that, can we? Uh-oh. Wait, I want a queen too. Can I queen too? I want a queen too. If you let me queen too, maybe you can queen. Oh, I'm an idiota. Fuck. Okay, yeah, great. Just take all the pawns but lose your queen. That's fantastic. Okay, it's gonna run out of time. Yes. Okay, that was a disaster, but whatever, we will take what we can get. Okay, I'm not winning this. I'm not beating Belobo, who lost his first game, but he's been winning every other game. Looks like nobody's berserking. Limon Martinez. Okay, it's the second guy who's played that. Oh, maybe it's the same guy. Let's trade queens. That took way too long. Okay, I'm trading on my pieces when his king's in the center. I'm sure I have no advantage. Take it, take it, take it! Just do a little dance for a second. Oh, ooh, I really want a queen. Really, really want a queen. How do I queen? How do I control that square? Not like this. Fuck, is he queening already? How the hell is he queening already? Oh, no, I'm losing all my stuff. Queen. Come on. Okay, now queen. Yes. That was ridiculous. Wow, that'd be cool if I... Well, okay, I'm only getting second for sure, but if I got second and broke 2,000... Can't somebody beat below? Oh, it doesn't matter if they beat Belobo. Oh, I have to beat Belobo. Coming for you, Belobo. What? GTFO, man. GTFO. What? That was fucking sad. So sad. I had a good position. Played dumbass moves. So sad. Get out. Really? I said really? Get the fuck out. Yeah, this is great, man. This is great. Oh! And he should be able to win easily with the amount of time he has. Alright, I'll respect this guy. Should I respect him? Alright, I'll respect him enough to resign. That was pathetic. It's just a pre-move. I mean, it wasn't pathetic. It was just a dumbass pre-move. Alright, I gotta get second place. Oh, I already got it. Sad, 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 sad. Alright, I want to break 2,000. I'm going to break 2,000 on this recording. Or I'm just not going to stop recording. Probably hyper bullet. That's one thing you won't see me mess with hyper bullet. Let's break 2,000. Then we have so many games to analyze. How am I ever gonna accomplish this? Crazy hyper TV, 1,000 games. Oh, okay. Close Sicilian. This is incorrect. I'm playing incorrect, and he's also playing incorrect. Oops. So, what? What's happening? Oh my God! That happened so fast. I don't even know what happened to me.
Hey, I'm home now. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Why are there seeds on his skirt?
Because they spilled.
How?
I fed him.
From here? Tony,
Hang on.
from this?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Why?
These are these seeds
Oh,
that
what?
might be contaminated.
Oh, why do you have them then?
To feed other birds.
Yeah, I wasn't sure where his seeds were. I knew the ones down there were contaminated, supposedly.
Why would you feed him?
Because he was annoying me.
But you know that he's on a feeding schedule.
Yeah, you feed him at 10 p.m. every day.
Yeah?
So I fed him at 10 p.m.
Please don't do that again. All this stuff also has to be dumped before so I can give him his dinner. Because these are his probiotics, and they need to be emptied every 8 hours.
Okay. I was just trying to help out. I guess I messed up. This coward gonna play me again. Why you nuts die? Yes. What?
Where's his... Where's my bag? Where's my bag that you brought home?
The bag you brought home?
Where's my bag that you brought home?
I put it on your bed, I think. Or your dresser, one of those. Oh, it's to take. Hang on. Alright, we've lost like so many points. We're just gonna keep going. See what we can achieve here. I have a check? He doesn't have a check. Oh, that was a mistake. I actually feel bad. Saddle club. Don't just run your time. Opponent. Sicilian defense super boots. I wonder if that's another alapin. I'm gonna play that and forget bullet if that is. I know. Wow, really? That's the best you got? Trading, winning a pawn? Oh, fuck. Ah. Yeah, I better run. Oh yeah, I'm joining this. But first, I'm gonna try to get my rating up a little bit. Uh, hmm. all I have to do is play knight g6. Well, no, that wouldn't have worked either. Here and then mate. Oh, or you could win my queen. That was pathetic. We're going to definitely be looking at that one. Yeah, better run. Okie doke. Right after this, I'm going to take a break, save this video, and then I'm going to play the C3 Sicilian Blitz. Yeah, you know what, screw bullet. I'm playing bad. There's no point in continuing this at this time. I did say I would record till I got to 2,000, and I will record till I get to 2,000, but not all in one sitting. Loophole, bye.